This video is sponsored by Squarespace, more about them later. IKEA just released a ton of new products this spring. And dare I say, IKEA has finally heard our prayers and is giving us the kind of pieces we were asking for. Smarter designs, better colors, and pieces that look like they belong in a way more expensive furniture store, not IKEA. These new finds are to die for, and I can't wait to show you all of them. I'm Man. This here is my doggo Mars, and that there is my other doggo, Zara, and we love all things IKEA, DIY and interior design, so before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell and hit that like button to never miss another video again. Now let's go! First up, a product I was so excited to see at IKEA this spring, and that is the release of the DYVLINGE chair in a new color, which is this gorgeous beige shade. And let me tell you, I was praying for this color for such a long time. I've even said it in my previous videos. This is exactly the color I was waiting for to go and get this chair ASAP. It looks just stunningly beautiful and I can't wait to see it in stores. Now, speaking of furniture, we have a whole new sofa line at IKEA that just looks epic, and that is the LILLESÄTER Sectional. This sofa is just out of this world. If I saw this anywhere else, I would never guess it's from IKEA. This sofa has very clean, modern lines, but still feels cozy and relaxed, which is honestly the sweet spot for living room furniture. And don't let this light color fool you, because this fabric is just everything. It's waterproof and stay resistant, making it so durable. Plus, it comes in a yellow color too, which looks so funky, but I definitely vibe with this white more. Also, apart from this same collection is this matching swirl chair and a matching pouffe, so you can create a full cohesive setup. I just love the sweeping, soft shapes that are easy on both the eyes and the body, and it's definitely one of those collections that feels very designer inspired, and I just can't wait to see it in stores. Moving into the bedroom, IKEA also released a new bed frame that looks stunning and is a part of the RÅDMANSÖ collection. This one feels like a big step up in terms of style. The walnut tone gives it that warm mid-century look, and the design is simple in a really intentional way. It's the kind of bed frame that looks good styled minimally, but could also anchor a more layered bedroom setup. Loving that headboard moment so much, it looks really good. This one also comes in a twin version too, and I really love it. It's light, airy, and just feels beautiful overall. Now, a new product we were all expecting this year, I announced it in December 2025, is the new and improved version of the famous IKEA donut-shaped lamp. If I have a favorite IKEA piece, it would probably be this one. It's an absolute favorite in my home, and to now be able to buy this new version that's not only dimmable but also color changing, this is a gem for sure. Although my favorite shade of light will always be the original orange one, I believe this is a really nice addition to have. Loving it so much and can't wait to see it in stores. Now, before we get to the next IKEA hidden gem, let me tell you about today's sponsor, Squarespace. One thing I absolutely love about Squarespace is how it grows with you. Whether you're just starting out or you're already running a full-blown business, everything you need is right here. Their commerce tools let you sell physical products, digital downloads, services, basically anything, and it's all integrated seamlessly into your site. No clunky plugins or third-party headaches. And if you're someone who's working working with clients, their invoicing feature is honestly so convenient. You can send professional invoices, track who's paid, manage projects, and even set up recurring billing for regular clients. It keeps everything tidy and organized in one place. Plus, finding the perfect domain name is just super easy with Squarespace domains. You get one straightforward price with no hidden fees or surprise renewals, which is so refreshing. So if you want a platform that's actually supporting your hustle, head on to squarespace.com for a free trial, and when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/homebyman to get 10% off your first purchase of a website or domain. Thanks to Squarespace for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to our new IKEA finds. Another beautiful lighting piece that's new at IKEA this spring is this gorgeous floor lamp. I just love the mix of materials here. The oak detail paired with the soft opal glass makes it feel much more elevated than a typical reading lamp. It's also functional in a really smart way, giving you both ambient, up lighting and a focused reading light in one piece. And if you prefer something more minimal, then the SJÖMAKT floor lamp is another great new option. The adjustable spotlight makes it great for directing light exactly where you want it, whether that's over a chair, a desk, or highlighting a shelf. It looks just amazing, and the beige and wood combination makes it easy to blend in almost any interior style. Now let's talk about a few IKEA classics that were given new looks this spring, and we're starting off with the Billy bookcase. Billy is probably one of the most recognizable IKEA pieces ever, but this new blue finish gives it a completely different personality. It's a simple change, but it instantly makes the piece feel more playful and design forward. I love how IKEA started releasing pieces in primary colors such as blue, red and yellow. It's so on trend and I'm loving it so much. Another staple IKEA piece that is getting so much love this year is the BESTÅ Storage combination. IKEA continues to expand this system with new configurations, drawers and doors, making it even easier to create custom storage that looks really good. However, this one looks stunningly beautiful. I love it so much. It's so MCM. It comes in a few different storage options and I honestly love every single one of them. They don't look like BESTÅ at all. Now, new products I saw on my recent IKEA trip were the new additions to the famous IKEA Greyik collection. They actually released a wall pocket, which looks so cool, and a wall grid with a rail. These are just the perfect little storage gems if you like vertical storage. They are great for entryways, offices, or even craft rooms and inside closets. They're simple, affordable, and exactly the kind of little functional pieces IKEA tends to do really well. And speaking of practical pieces, the Nissaforce utility cart is another product that is back in a fresh update. Not to mention, these carts are basically the definition of versatile. They can be used for storage in the kitchen, bathroom, office, or even as a small mobile bar. Also, the Raskok utility cart, which now comes in a pink color, and I'm just loving it so much. IKEA also released some beautiful rugs this year, and one that really caught my eye is the Mark Blamme rug. The check pattern is so bold but still very livable, and is the kind of rug that can instantly bring energy into a room without overwhelming the space. Another new rug this spring is this ornament patterned one, which leans a bit more classic. The subtle pattern and natural tones make it a great foundation piece if you want texture without going too busy. And finally, two small but so fun additions. First, this cute little cube portable Bluetooth speaker, which is surprisingly affordable and just perfect for casual listening around the home. It comes in a few colors, it's compact, minimal, and exactly the kind of tech accessory that blends easily into your space. And we're finishing off with this gorgeous clock, which looks so playful and just plain adorable. The color combination is very IKEA, a little quirky, a little nostalgic, and just perfect if you like adding small personality pieces to a room. And that's a wrap for today. I really hope you liked this new IKEA finds. If you did, let me know in the comment section below which one was your favorite. To be honest with you, there were so many new IKEA finds that they just couldn't fit in this one video. So next week we're doing a part 2. That being said, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell, allowing all notifications to never miss another video again, and stay tuned for part 2. Thank you so much for watching and for sticking with me to the very end. And as always, I'll see you designers next week. Bye! Can you believe this too? Can you believe this too? Well done, guys. Well done. Bye-bye, guys. See you next week.